your garden producing more vegetables than you can possibly eat? Don't let that harvest go to waste. When your garden is overflowing, freezing is one of the easiest ways to preserve your harvest and enjoy those homegrown vegetables months later. Welcome to Parna Garden. Today I'm freezing okra harvested from our garden. Canning is another way to preserve your garden produce. Freezing is generally quicker and easier, while canning takes more preparation but can keep properly canned foods shelf stable for much longer. Freezing usually preserves a fresher texture and flavor, whereas canning is convenient when you want to store produce without relying on freezer space. First, wash your vegetables thoroughly, drain and dry them well. Excess moisture can cause freezer burn. Cut them into sizes you'll want to use later. Some people blanch the vegetables briefly in boiling water and then immediately transfer them to ice water. This is known to preserve their color, texture, and flavor. Have you ever tried blanching vegetables before freezing them? I usually freeze my garden vegetables without blanching, and I did not have any issues. But I would love to hear from you. Do you blanch your vegetables first, or do you prefer freezing them directly? Which method works best for you? Pack the vegetables into freezer safe bags or containers. Remove as much air as possible. You could optionally label them with vegetable name and date and pop them into the freezer. I'll be cooking these vegetables in a few days, and so I skipped labeling. Tindora is another vegetable that freezes really well, making it perfect for enjoying later. When the growing season comes to an end and you don't have fresh vegetables for cooking, you can simply reach into your freezer and enjoy your garden harvest. A little work during the harvest season means homegrown goodness all year long. If you love growing your own food, subscribe for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching.